Hello students, welcome to Mystery in Chemistry's Tips and Tricks series. Understanding chemistry and scoring high in exams are two different things and hence require different set of skills. Let us learn the next tip to help you score 100 out of 100 in chemistry. Here is the 8th tip. Use chemical equations to solve organic questions concisely. Questions on organic chemistry range from conversion, complete the reaction, what happens when, write the mechanism of the reaction, explain the given name reaction, or reasoning questions. The common trick across these different type of questions is essentially use the chemical equation in every answer. Now let us take an example. Suppose the question is, how do you convert the following? Phenol to anisole and ethanol to propane 2-OL, that is 2-propanol. For all organic chemistry questions, you need to be very clear about structural formula, name of the compound, and chemical equations. It is because 90% of the answer in organic chemistry can be expressed in equations. Even the examiner is also looking for the right equation and formula. That means if the equation is correct, whatever you have written is correct. Let us start writing. First one is phenol to anisole. So phenol is when reacting with NaOH and forming sodium phenoxide first, and it is further treated with methyl bromide to get phenyl methyl ether, that is anisole. Similarly, write the second question answer. Ethanal. It is ethanol, not ethanol. So be clear about the formula. It is aldehyde. When reacting with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether, it is forming an intermediate compound, which is further converted to final compound propane 2-OL by acid hydrolysis. Here everything is so clear in the equation that you need not to describe it further. So remember, first write the equation clearly with conditions for it, and after that very few words are required which are not in the equation to complete the answer. By this way, not only you are scoring full marks in organic questions, but solving it in lesser time. Thank you.